Hey, what's going on guys, Watch Review here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the time on a G-Shock watch, analog and digital time. Now I have done a video showing you guys how to do this and it received over 500,000 views. So now I just want to make a better video. And also if this video is helpful to you guys, please hit that subscribe button. And if this video gets over 50,000 views within the next 2 weeks, I will give away 2 G-Shocks. But anyways, let's get into it. Now the first thing you guys are going to want to do is hold down the adjust button, and you'll know if you've done it correctly because the text will start blinking. Then once you've done that, you're going to want to hit mode until you get to the time. Then press forward or reverse to adjust your time. Then once you've done that, hit the adjust button. And that's how you adjust the digital time. Now you guys have probably already noticed that my digital time and analog time do not match up, and that is because I am keeping track of 2 different time zones, and that's probably why your analog time does not match your digital time. So how you adjust that is hold down the adjust button, and that is the first thing that pops up is the time zone. And you're going to want to press forward until you reach your time zone, then press adjust, and you're all set. Well, hopefully this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please hit that subscribe button and definitely stay tuned for that giveaway. Anyways guys, this has been Watch Review. Peace.